Yes, do my lunch, Grammy. Do my lunch. Do my lunch, Grandma. I love my lunch.
She's spitting it out.
Well, she's sucking on it is what she's doing, but she'll soon learn how to do it.
It's coming out.
Of course it's coming out. Half of it comes out. Scoop it up, shove it back in. Yes, Grammy, know what I do. I'll shove it back in. Shove it back in there.
It's falling.
Big deal. I got a bib on. I'll get a bib on, Grandma. Put a bib on. Takes a while. It's going to take a while. Yeah.